choosing the right flooring in Jersey City, New Jersey. When it comes to upgrading your home, few elements make a bigger impact than flooring. Whether you're renovating a brownstone near Hamilton Park or a modern condo in Newport, choosing the right flooring in Jersey City is key to tying your interior together and boosting home value. From engineered hardwood floor installation to durable vinyl plank flooring, today's flooring solutions offer endless combinations of style, performance, and affordability. And the best part? You don't have to figure it all out alone. Professional flooring contractors in Jersey City make the process smooth and stress-free. Engineered hardwood flooring, a modern classic. Engineered hardwood brings the natural beauty of wood with enhanced durability, perfect for Jersey City's fluctuating seasons. Made of a real hardwood top layer over a sturdy plywood core, it resists warping and moisture better than solid hardwood. Vinyl plank flooring for busy homes. Life gets busy and your floors should keep up. That's where vinyl plank flooring shines. This resilient option stands strong against water, wear, and foot traffic, making it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or high traffic areas. Plus, vinyl plank floors mimic the look of natural wood at a fraction of the cost. The rise of waterproof hardwood flooring. Waterproof flooring used to mean compromising on looks? Not anymore. Enter waterproof hardwood flooring, which blends wood grain elegance with 100% moisture resistance. It's a go-to choice for Jersey City homes, especially in areas prone to spills or dampness. Laminate flooring beauty on a budget. Don't overlook laminate flooring when you want good looks without a high price tag. Today's laminates offer realistic wood and stone visuals, easy click-lock installation, and scratch resistance that stands up to everyday life. Perfect for rentals, guest rooms, or secondary living spaces. Laminate is an affordable option that doesn't skimp on style. Our laminate flooring installation services in Jersey City ensure a flawless finish every time. Installation tips and what to expect. Flooring installation in Jersey City typically follows these steps: assessment and measurement, old flooring removal, if needed, subfloor, prep, new flooring installation, final walkthrough and cleanup. Most installations are completed within 1 to 3 days, depending on the size of your space and material choice. Always discuss scheduling and warranties with your flooring contractor beforehand to stay on the same page. Choosing a flooring company is just as important as picking your materials. At Zephyr Flooring, we provide Jersey City residents with personalized service, precision installation, and top-tier products designed to elevate your home. Ready to transform your floors? Contact us or call 201-300-300 to schedule a free consultation.